mode. Woo! Yeah, so the Mavic AiR can handle it without no problem. Yeah. Yeah, so it's in AiR mode. That's not good. Woo! Yeah, so it's not good to have idea to put that on the top of the drone. In the bottom, it's okay to do it, but I'll probably modify it, you know, because the GPS is right there. But you can see how the Mavic reacts to the camera. But it can handle it. I'm just giving you a demonstration what it can do. Even though in this environment, yeah, so woo! Yeah, so it's in AiR mode. AiR mode. Yeah, so it's not a good idea. So if you're just gonna go ahead and fly this and you don't know what you're doing, you will lose your drone. And you know, like I said, right now it's probably reading the bottom position sensing, but it can still handle. But like I said, I would not recommend it. I'm just giving you guys idea. See, right now it's all manual with extreme wind like this. Woo! Look at that gust. So see, the aerodynamic of the Mavic AiR is just amazing. Let's go back. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how strong this is. Already cost almost 400, 350, and then you have the drone for 6 or 7. It's like $1,000 and more when you think about it. So you know, for I don't know what you guys trying to do, but you know, I'll just try it out, what's it all about. But I'm not crazy enough gonna go out there and do some extreme ideal with it. You can still handle, but you're in the AiR mode, so that's the only bad part. We're gonna go ahead and see if the video is shaky. Yeah, it's AiR mode. Yeah. Put this thing in a sport mode. The gust strong. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and land soon. I got what, how many? I got 4 more minutes. It's about woo! Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and land. It's not safe. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and land. So if you want to go ahead and land, remember, when the wind is blowing that direction, you want it to be right here. Yeah. So I got it down just to be safe.